How to fix Chatgpt not working. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your App Store. Here in the source bar, search for Chatgpt. Moving to this app, right here you can see the option of update, which means that your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. If that's the case, tap on update and update the app. Wait for the application to be updated. Once you've got the updated version of the app, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings of a device. Head over to General. Move into iPhone Storage. In this page, search for the application Chatgpt. Click on Offload App, and then once again click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This might also fix the issue that you have been facing in this app. If not, the next thing you want to try doing is simply uninstall this application and then reinstall it. Most of the time, reinstalling the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.